Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheree Wallace and I'm so glad you're here. So first off, I know it's been like 3 weeks since I uploaded a video. I'm sorry, I just haven't been inspired. So I'm back. So make sure you hit subscribe. It helps me out. Come on, just hit it real quick. Hit subscribe and then hit that like button and then that notification bell so you can know when I upload new videos. All right, so I am washing my hair and I'm doing it a little different this time. So I'm going to use shampoo for my scalp because my scalp has been really itchy and I had some dandruff. I know, ill, right? So I'm using some shampoo on my scalp only. And then I'm going to go in with a co-wash for my strands. I've never done this before and I don't even know if it's the right thing to do, but that's what we're going to do today. Because I didn't really want to shampoo my hair strands because I shampooed like a week ago. I didn't want to dry them out. So I needed to cleanse my scalp because I didn't want to start a new hairstyle on itchy, flaky scalp. So obviously I'm just wetting my hair right now. And do you see that shrinkage? Like, it's crazy how much my hair shrinks up, and it annoys me a lot when I'm trying to style. But sometimes I'm glad because, you know, it's a little compact on some styles that I need it to be. So I'm rinsing, and then I will show you the products I'm using, and as always they will be listed in the description area. So this is the Suave. I use this all the time. It makes my hair feel moisturized, and it's a shampoo with sulfates, and it still makes my hair feel moisturized. So I really love this. And like I said, I'm just putting it on my scalp only, or at least trying to, massaging that in to cleanse it really well so I can have a fresh new scalp for my hairstyle. And then we're gonna go in with my co-wash. Okay, so I finished rinsing out my shampoo, and then we're gonna go with my co-wash, which is from As I Am. It's the Coconut CoWash, and I really love this in between my wash days because this adds so much moisture. It's unbelievable. It feels so good. So I'm just gonna do this, probably just add it in a couple more times, then I'm gonna rinse it out and we're gonna get on with the hairstyle. Okay, so this is a hairstyle that I just thought of like throughout last night, and I was like, ooh, I gotta try it. So as you see, I already completed one side of my head. The products that I will be using are kind of like my go-to products that I use all the time. If you watch my previous videos, you will be familiar with these products, and as always, they will be listed in the description box. And this hairstyle was a pain, I'm gonna be honest, because all of the parting, my hair is so thick that parting takes a long time, and when I'm adding in these hairstyles that have all these different sections, it's a pain. So with these type of sections, we all know that you section it off, put a rubber band, and then you can braid or twist back. But I decided not to use rubber bands, and I decided to braid. Just start off with the braid on my hair, as you can see what I'm doing. And don't laugh at me, y'all, because my braids suck. Like, they absolutely suck. So starting it off is always trouble for me, so don't laugh at me. But I decided to opt out on rubber bands because they always snap, they always break. And then it puts too much tension on my hair. So I was like, let me try it without rubber bands and just braid tightly to my scalp. So as you see, I'm just braiding down the middle of the section. And then I stop not too far from the end because I'm going to add it and connect it to my other sections. And it's pretty self-explanatory once you see what I'm doing. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll be back shortly. So this is Shea. Of course I have to lay down my edges and everything, but the back I was going to braid down, like have two cornrow sections almost, two plaits I guess, going down, but I didn't really like how it looked. So I just decided to do a low pony, and I just put 2 rubber bands, and I think I only wrapped it once just because it didn't need to be tight. And let me see, did I do it twice? Yep, I did it twice. And it didn't really need to be tight. I just wanted it kind of loose and just to hang down there. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm gonna lay down my edges, fluff the ponytail out a little bit more, and then I'm gonna wrap it so everything can lay down smoothly, and I'll be back to show you the finished final product. Okay, so I kept it on for maybe an hour because I had to leave. So I got dressed, put jewelry on, and I think it stayed on for long enough because my edges were pretty much flat and laid down. The frizz was gone. So, and I don't know if you saw, but I used a mousse for my edges because I don't really use like edge control or anything. That's just my preference. But this is it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you want me to try any new hairstyles, any new products, let me know. Hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I love you guys, and see you later.